Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dorrie Vlogs 29. Guys, join me today. I'll be making a solution using aloe vera, lemon juice, vinegar, olive oil, and honey. Yes, this combination is a face treatment that provide several skin benefits, and the ingredients has nourishing and healing properties. This mixture serves as a deep moisturizer. Aloe vera and honey help hydrate the skin and prevent dryness. Olive oil adds healthy fats that keep skin soft and smooth. Another benefit is that it gives skin a natural glow. Lemon juice and vinegar help gently exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells, making the face look brighter. Also, it serves as a acne support. Aloe vera, honey, and vinegar have antibacterial properties that may help reduce acne-causing bacteria. This combination also helps with dark spot and blemish reduction. Lemon juice and vinegar contain natural acids that may help lighten dark spot and uneven skin tone over time. This also is a anti-aging support mixture, guys. Aloe vera and olive oil contain antioxidants that can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and keep skin looking youthful. Finally, guys, this mixture provides skin soothing effects. Aloe vera helps calm irritated and inflamed skin and may also reduce redness. Don't go anywhere, stick around and see how Dorrie does this combination. All right, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, watch the ads as well, guys.